I'm over 60 years old. I'm done with climbing on ladders, but I still want to clean my gutters, so something's got to give. What about this contraption? What do you think? You think it'll work? Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Tim here with Midwest Mentors. This time of year in Missouri, we get these things called catkins. Can you see them there? Look, they clog up my gutters. Well, I don't want to climb up there on a ladder, so I created this contraption to see if it will work. What do you say? Let's take a look at it. I created this tool as an add-on to my DeWalt blower. It allows me to safely stand on the ground while cleaning my gutters. I'll show you how I made it, and then I'll show it in action. I had to remove this part of the tip of the DeWalt blower so that it would fit into the extension. It's a pretty tight fit to put the blower into the extension. That's a good thing, as you'll lose power if it isn't a tight fit. I went to Home Depot and I picked up a 10-foot section of aluminum downspout. This cost about $19. I then picked up two 2-inch by 3-inch elbows. These cost about $5.50 each. I also picked up some gutter screws for about $6. I was careful to dry fit these while I was still at Home Depot to make sure everything fit together. Before I use this, I always put on safety glasses so that if something comes down from the roof, my eyes will be protected. So, what the heck is a catkin? Well, these fall from oak trees in the spring and create a big mess. They're also one of the biggest spreaders of pollen this time of year. These things end up in my gutters, and even though I have gutter guards in place, they still manage to clog things up. I have found that one person can do this, but it's much easier if you have two. One person can direct the extension while another controls the blower. I've used this now for 2 gutter cleaning seasons, and it seems to work okay for me. If there were any chance of getting this caught in electrical wires, I'd never use it. Well, there you have it. What do you think? Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Now, here at Midwest Mentors, we want to share all the mistakes that we've made so you don't have to make them too. But every now and then we find something that we're a little proud of, and we want to share that too. Thanks, everybody, for listening. God bless you.